Hi guys, welcome to The Reality Circus. Do you want to know which contestant gets eliminated in the 6th July episode of Jhalak Dikhla Ja 6? Also, do you want to know Pragati Mehra, who's seen in the show Uttaran, is very angry with the judges of Jhalak Dikhla Ja 6? And last but not the least, Drashti Dhami aka Madhubala has apparently broken up with her long-time boyfriend Neeraj Khemka. So to know it all, stay tuned and keep watching The Reality Circus with me Mansi. So let's talk about the 29 June 2013 episode of Jhalak Dikhla Ja 6. प्रॉप वीक में सभी ने शानदार परफॉर्मेंस दिए अलग-अलग प्रॉप के साथ, पर किसका परफॉर्मेंस सबसे मजेदार था? रादर स्नीकी परफॉर्मेंस किसने दिया? पुनीत और लॉरेन ने। उनको मिला परफेक्ट 30 बिकॉज दैट वाज अ स्प्लेंडेड परफॉर्मेंस। और उनके पीछे परफॉर्मेंस दिया है दृष्टि धामी और सलमान ने, जिन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस तो बढ़िया दिया पर परफेक्ट 30 जितना बढ़िया नहीं था। और बात करते हैं बॉटम 3 कंटेस्टेंट्स की, जो है आरती छाबरिया, सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला और श्वेता तिवारी. Who do you think is going to be eliminated in the upcoming episode, which is going to be aired on 6th July? Well, if you want to know, keep watching. अभी बात करते हैं प्रगति मेहरा के बारे में. On one hand, all the celebrity contestants and choreographers are giving their best shot. पर प्रगति मेहरा को लगता है that the choreographers are only getting compliments and not the celebrity contestants. Pragati went on to tweet and said that this is not fair. In Drashti Dhami's case, she gave an absolute amazing performance, but the judges complimented only Salman. Why? That is so unfair. Where he was told, yes, Salman is finally back with the bang. And of course, they also told him he is back with his kinky side. Naughty, हाँ? भाई प्रगति जी तो बहुत नाराज है इन जजेस के साथ. पर आपको क्या लगता है? Do you think this is fair? Do you think that celebrity contestants are not getting complimented? Why don't y'all leave your comments and let me know? उड़ती खबर आई है कि दृष्टि धामी aka Madhubala has apparently broken up with her boyfriend Neeraj Khemka. Oh, that too over trust issues. And why do we say so? हमारे जो खबरू है झलक के सेट्स पे, उन्होंने बताया that दृष्टि was caught in action. मेरा मतलब है she was caught giving a head massage to Salman. Of course, अभी पार्टनर और कोरियोग्राफर है तो नजदीकियां तो बढ़ती ही जाएगी. What do you expect? और नीरज जो है, he is getting very possessive over Drashti's closeness to Salman and others. और एक बात तो आप सभी जानते हैं, Salman Yusuf Khan was dating his ex-celebrity contestant Yana Gupta. And there were also rumors that he was dating Isha Sharvani, but the rumors fell flat. और अभी नाम आया है दृष्टि धामी का. Well, नीरज जी, आपको trust issues किसको लेकर है? सलमान को या किसी और को? What do y'all think? Leave your comments in the section below. So do you want to see Drashti and Salman's sizzling chemistry? Also, do you want to know an inside gossip? Then don't forget to like my video. Well, it's time to go now. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to The Reality Circus. See you next time. Bye. That's all right. Salman has got all the praises from the choreographers. I'm forgetting these. Like this thing. Okay, wait. 1 minute. To know it all, stay tuned. Yeah, correct. Stay tuned and keep watching.
Why are you stopping?
Because I thought I mixed it up. Stop it.